Hi, welcome to this lesson. And in this lesson, we're going to be continuing with a trial question paper from KZN. We're going to be tackling question number 1.3. These are some of the questions that are always difficult for many students, so I decided to do it alone. Okay, the question says, if m and n are rational numbers, what does it mean by saying that a number is a rational number? M, let me show you this side. M is a rational number if it can be written as x over y, where x and y are integers and y is not equals to 0. That's what we mean by m is a rational number. So the question says, assume m and n are rational numbers such that m and n, the square root of m and the square root of n is equals to the square root of 5 plus the square root of 24, all of them in square root. So we need to calculate the possible values for m squared and n squared. Okay, so we have m plus n is equals to 5 plus the square root of 24, right? Okay, this is equals to 5 plus 24 can be written as 4 multiplied by 6, right? So we continue with that. Then you say 5 plus the square root of 4 multiplied by the square root of 6. Okay, this is the same as 5 plus 2 the square root of 6. Okay, but now we're trying to remove the square roots. So how are we going to be able to remove the square root? Okay, let's just let us square both sides. Okay, so we're gonna square m plus n squared is equals to 5 plus 2 square root of 6 squared. So here we're gonna have m plus square root of n, m plus square root of n. This is equals to 5 plus 2 the square root of 6. M times m is m. M times n is n m, right? Therefore, here we also have m times n is also n m plus n is equals to 5 plus 2 square root of 6. Okay, so now from here we can say um, m plus n in brackets plus 2 n m is equals to 5 plus 2. Remember they said m plus n are rational numbers. Okay, so here we're going to say, here we can say m plus n is equals to 5, right? M plus n is equals to 5, and we can say n m is equals to, we can say mn is equals to 6, right? Okay, here we can just use a simultaneous to solve these problems. So we can just say n is equals to 5 minus m, and then we can just say this is equation number 1, then this is equation number, this is equation 1, this is equation 2, and this is equation 3. Then we can just say sub equation 3 in 2. Then we can have 5 minus m is equals to 5 minus m multiplied by m multiplied by m is equals to 6. So now here we can say 5m minus m squared is equals to 6. So here we can have negative 5m squared plus 5m negative 6 is equals to 0. Then from here we can say 5m squared minus 5m plus 6 is equals to 0. This is actually supposed to be only 5. Okay. Then from here we can say, I don't know why I got this. Okay. Supposed to be like this. Then here we can solve for m. So m is negative 3, negative 2. M can be equals to 3, or m can be equals to 2. Then we can sub in equation number 3, and we know that n is equals to 5 minus 3 is equals to 2, or n is equals to 3. So now the question said, what are the possible values of m squared plus n squared? So it's just going to be the same. M squared plus n squared, we can say, if here is 2 squared for m, if m is equals to 3 squared, then n is equals to 2 squared, and this gives us 9 plus 4, which is 13, right? Versa is going to be the same. Okay, that means we managed to solve the problem.